What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Scotthollywood Outdoors. Got my buddy Brandon over here with us. You never know, guess where we're at. I don't even know what the name of this place is. We just came through Petaluma, California, and now we're heading down to this beach. Talk about a beautiful freaking drive we just took. I mean, and we just saw a wolf coming over this hill right here. I'll go ahead and show you guys a picture of that one here in a second. But we're getting ready to go down this trail that takes us down to this beach. Not 100% sure what the name of the peninsula is that we're on. Guess I should probably know all this stuff before I start this. You can see how bad I'm out of practice for sure. But anyway, I'm going to turn this camera around and you can see what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Take you guys on this journey with me. We're in Northern California. I'm here on a business trip out of Sacramento, and we did our the work we had to do, this morning and early afternoon. And as you know, with all my trips, I always make it a point to kind of go out and do some exploring, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna basically walk down through this valley and go down to the beach right down there. And if Brandon doesn't kill himself falling down the hill, because you can see this is a little bit of a drop here. You can see here, but yeah, hope we don't run across any freaking bears or freaking elk or iguanas or whatever the hell we got going on around here, and see what we come up with. But yeah, you do realize this, Brandon, this is all downhill. When we come back, it's gonna be all uphill. This is just beautiful. I mean, look at this. Wow. I hear a waterfall. There's a waterfall right below us. Right down there. So I don't know if you guys have been tracking this. Right now this is February 21st. So if you've been following the news when you see this video, but following the news is California has had record rainfall over the last couple days. And we got here just right after it. And we're, making a point to walk, obviously we got to watch our steps as we're going down through here, but where we're actually going to is this beach. It's supposed to be beautiful outcroppings and everything else, so can't wait till we get down there. Going back there, Brandon, all right?
I'm doing great, Scott.
All right. This is just incredible. Incredible.
I'll be able to see that come around this normally.
Brandon's worried about the wolf. It was like, we took pictures of it, like, what the hell? Look at that wolf.
That's 150, damn near, almost a 200-pound animal, Scott.
Yeah. We're about halfway through. We're definitely in the middle of the valley right now. You can see we're going to be walking along this trail all the way through and down through. You can see back where we came from. So we kind of came out from this little bit of a ridge here. Now, wolf we saw was literally parallel this hill right here. We thought maybe we can see it as we come around, but we're kind of making sure we make enough noise so that it doesn't know, because like Brandon says, that's a 200-pound animal. We don't want to be dealing with that guy. Now, there is a couple of cars in the parking lot, so there are people at the beach. Where? What?
You walked right over top of a little baby.
Oh.
I don't know what kind of snake it is, but
yeah, there you go, little snake. All kinds of stuff out here.
to the beach, the city.
Yeah, that was the other option. We were going to say, do we want to go out here and look around in the wilderness, or we want to go to San Francisco? What do we say, Brandon?
Out here.
Yeah, exactly. All right, making our way around the corner. There's some droppings there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting close.
Look that way.
Wow. Huge waves. Look at that.
Coyote's 8 to 10.
Now tell me if that ain't a sight to see, folks. That is incredible. I'm gonna tell you. I mean, look at this rock outcropping here. I mean, it's just, you got fresh water running in from this beautiful valley, coming down, and that right there, folks, is the Pacific Ocean. I never ever tell you, I love my job. Dude, look at this, like,
Drop off.
yeah.
Drop down here on the waves right there.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Smell of salt.
Ooh, a little muddy there. All right, we're making our way down. Oh, bless my arse. Look at this. That, oh my God, look. This is like only some stuff you see in movies. You guys are watching it on a movie. Scotthollywood Outdoors, live. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, one other soul. I see a couple people out here. So a couple of people have made the journey. Like I said, there was cars in the parking lot. But look at that absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna be quiet. Huge waves coming in. Look at that. Just, yeah, it's just huge. Look at that. Wow. Yep. Crashing into that rock right there. All right, guys, I had to stop and just take it all in, you know. It's just, sometimes things just leave you speechless to see, you know, beauty like this. It's hardly touched. You know, obviously people come and go. You see footprints here, but landslide happening right there. Yeah. I mean, even the drive here was just beautiful. Took a bunch of pictures of to and from. But yeah. Was gonna do this all on my GoPro, my brand new GoPro 12, Hero 12, but I thought I'd charge the batteries, but they all had no charge on them, so that's why I'm on the iPhone. But you know, iPhone, it's 4K as well, so hopefully it captures. I mean, I know video doesn't do it justice, but man. See a little bit of water trickling down right there, coming off the hill. Yeah. Sand is soft.
This is not like sugar sand now.
Yeah. It's interesting how it works though, because the sand looks dark here, then it gets upwelled. Then you get the splattering of stones in there. It's almost like we're on a different planet here. Some granite there, some sort of shale rock here, and then of course all the dirt and stuff on top of the rock. Really amazing. It's all coming out naturally to this seashore here. Look at this collection of rocks right here. And water coming down right there. So cool. You know, that tells me, Brandon, is like underneath all this dirt is just this rock. Look at that vein, that rock vein right there. Look, it comes, let me take a picture of this, but see, it's coming straight down, comes back up over this rock, and here it is right here. Look at that. That's like a natural, let me get my shadow out of the way. I don't know if you can see it, but here. But look at that. That's just like all the way up. That's incredible. Look at this rock, guys. It's like almost like completely round, like almost like an egg. That's what I thought it was when I was coming up here. And over here we got a little tidal pool. And this is like another whole little ecosystem. This kind of reminds me, I was just in Alaska. I mean, not Alaska, I was in Hawaii a couple weeks ago. Which, wow, I'll be back, so I'll be definitely making some more videos from that place. But I do got some pictures, but you know, that was all lava landscape. This is actually just erosion stone. You see, it's a lot smoother. The lava was more ragged. I mean, this is weird here, how it's kind of jagged here. Then just right next to it, it's smoother. It's like almost like two different types of rocks. There's Brandon walking over there, but again, you're right up against this big rock face here. Over time, you see the, you know, the erosion. And we were just commenting, where I'm at right now is probably covered with water at high tide, and hence the water is going to be crashing up against this cliff face. But yeah, definitely a diverse landscape for sure. That looks fairly new. That looks like a new slide right there. Huh. I think we're at the end of the line here.
Let's go for it, Scott.
What? Where are you gonna go?
Let's go for it.
You gonna make it across?
Yeah.
All right. Find a path. All right, we're about halfway across. Just commenting. Water's just seeping out. This is all solid rock here. Wow. All right, we made it. So it's funny here, you see like this is more dirt here, Rock. Rock. It's a rock. There's a rock right there waiting to come down. Sun coming over. Sorry about the sun, but coming right over the top of these rock outcropping.
That wave.
Yeah, look at that. There you go. Look at that. So we just came through this crevice right here. Check this out. Little secluded beach. Look at that. That is insane. Wow. I ain't gonna lie, that's some elevation right there. Little cave right there. Mountain goat Brandon up there. I just want to take this in again. Look at this. We gotta start heading back here shortly though, because the tide's coming in. We don't want to get stranded up here, but it's just gorgeous. All right. Wow. I mean, it's just incredible. I can't. It's hard for me to come up with words for this. Look at the sun rising over the rocks there like that, coming down over the rocks. Look at the size of them waves. You can see how clear the water is. You can see the tide's coming up actually pretty quick. What do you think, Brandon? It's pretty cool?
Yeah, man.
Not better than sitting in a hotel room.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna take you guys through. Oh yeah, real quick, there's a little cavern right there. We were actually climbed up on that. There's a little cave that goes down, you can see through it. I'm gonna take you through that little cavern we had to come through to get to this side. Dead bird. Dead bird there, boy. All right. Coming through. Where old new rock meets old worn down rock. Yep. That's it. It's like shale. Let me see, shale, ancient rock, moon rock. I don't know. All right. Oh yeah, we got plenty of time. So this must be the other end where the water was coming through, right?
Other side of that.
Well, that was the one that's getting wet. Wanted to see if there's any other.
Stay the grass at. Walk up right there.
Yeah, that's awesome. Look, we even got the moon out. There's the moon right there. Mountain goat Brandon. He's climbing up. I told his ass I ain't carrying him out of here. Hey Brandon, turn around. Dude, give me the I'm on top of the world pose. The other side, but I want to set my straight. I remember what the name of the beach is called. McClure's Beach. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the comment. I'll leave a link down there where you can actually come out here if you're actually in the Sacramento, Northern California area. Come out here and see this for yourself. It's just gorgeous. McClure's Beach. We went through, as you saw. We came across there, and around that little bend over there. It's another whole beach up there, which we were on top of. And now we're back on the original side here. Heck, I mean, the sun's about ready to set. But we got about a 2-hour drive back, so we're probably gonna, start heading on back. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous territory here. Almost leaves you speechless. I will be back here probably in June for another project, or the continuation of the project I'm working on. So definitely have more time to do some exploring, but like I said, we only have 3 or 4 hours after work, and you know me, I always make the best of it so I can bring it to you guys. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go back up the trail. It's a little bit of an uphill jaunt, but once again, one more view. Turn this around. There you go. McClure's Beach, California. It's on a peninsula. Gorgeous scenery. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little out of breath. Damn, mountain goat Brandon had me over climbing rocks.
Good exercise.
I thought it was bad when we were in the damn
Provo.
when we were in Provo.
Outside of Provo, I'm sure the elevation has something to do with it.
All right, guys, that's the end. We made it back up the hill. Beautiful sunset behind me. Camera's kind of washing it out. So there you go. How's that? Beautiful sunset right there behind me. You can see it. Awesome little trip. Man, this is what we're going to try to give you guys from now on. So let me know. Go ahead and leave a like down there. Go ahead and leave a comment. Of course, hit that subscribe button. That's what's going to help make this channel grow. And that's going to be pretty much it. What do you think, Brandon? Anything to say? What'd you think?
No, it was great.
The awesome day. Yeah. This is what work trips help us out to do. So I tell you what, we do a hard day's work and then we come out exploring. So without further ado, guys, this is Scotthollywood Outdoors, and that's a wrap. We're driving back out of the park, and look to our left. Huge elk bulls. Look at the size of these guys. Look at that. All right, slow down.
He's lost his antler.
Yeah, there's another one in front of us. Look at that. Doink, doink. I'm gonna take pictures there. There's a picture, there it is right there. Wow. It's incredible. Go a little further. He's gonna come up to the left of us.
Go pet him, Scott.
A huge elk.
Wow.
Look at that. That is so cool. Stupid thing beeping. Hold on. Let me get this seatbelt off. Look at that. Wow. Never know what you're going to see. Scotthollywood Outdoors.
You're right.
Look at that. And this isn't a farm. These are wild elk. Go a little bit further up. There's one over here on the side. This guy right here just kind of chilling. Look at that. He lost his antler.